Welcome to RT Home. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. See here, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this chapter, we will discuss mainly with 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees only. See, already you know that trigonometric ratios, that means here sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Yes or no? These six ratios we will be discussed. See here, first you can remember here sin A values. If you know sin A values, we can write easily cos A. If you know sin and cos, we can write here tan A values. The remaining should be, see here, cot will be reciprocal of tan. Sec will be reciprocal of cos. Cosec will be reciprocal of sin. You need not to remember each and every values. Just you can remember here sin then cos only. If you know sin cos, that means you will remember easily tan also. So the first main thing is your sin A. You can start with here 0. Sin 0 degrees will be always 0 only. Sin 0 is how much? 0 here. Sin 90 will be 1. You can remember here. Sin 0 will be 0. Sin 90 degrees will be 1 only. See here sin 30. You can write here. Sin 30 will be equal to 1 by 2. You can remember here. 1 by 2. Sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 here. Sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. All the proofs are available in our textbook. If you want, you can check it. First, you can remember these values. These values are very useful exercise problems. Sin 0 will be 0. Sin 30 will be 1 by 2. Sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. Sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. Sin 90 will be 1. How can you remember? Just I am doing here one example. Just rough purpose only. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you can write denominator as all 4s here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Just you can make it as square root. See here square root, square root, square root. See here 0 by 4. That means here 0 square root 4. 0 is how much? 0 only. Here 1 by 4. That means what is the root square root 1? 1 only. What is the square root of 4? 2 only. That means here 1 by 2. Here root 2 by 4. That means here 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. What is the root of 1? 1 only. What is the square root of 2? Square root 2 only. Here root 3 by. What is the square root of 4? 2 only. What is the 4 by 4 means? 1 1. That means square root of 1 will be 1 only. See here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 root 3 by 2, 1 only. See here 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 only. You need not to remember this kind of method. Just if you are getting any confusion only, you can remember like this. Just you can remember the values directly. Sin 0 0, sin 31 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2. Next cos A. How can you represent here cos A? See here cos 0. Cos 0 will be equal to sin 90. That means you can write here 1. Next you can write here cos 30. Cos 30 will be equal to sin 60. Just you can write the rewrite by reverse order. See here it will be 1. It will be equal to next root 3 by 2. Next will be 1 by root 2. Remember here sin 45, cos 45, both the values are equal. 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 only. Next you can see here cos 60. Cos 60 will be equal to sin 30. 1 by 2. Next you can write here 0. See here if you know sin values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Just you can rewrite it from the reverse order. See 1 by 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Yes or no? If you know, remembers just sin A values. You know that's tan A. What is the tan A ratio? Sin by cos or not? What is the formula? Tan A is equal sin A by cos A. 0 by 1 is how much? 0 only. Yes or no? Yes. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel. You are getting is how much? 1 by root 3. Yes or no? Yes. Next here 1 by root 3 here 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Both should be cancelled. That means you are getting is how much? 1 only. See here, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. You are getting root 3 by 1. That means you are getting root 3 only. See here, 1 by 0. It is 1 by 0. You can write it as not defined. Yes or no? Is it defined? It's not defined. You can write it as not defined. See here, next cot here. You know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Yes or no? Reciprocal of tan means, see, what is the reciprocal of 0? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it is defined, not defined? Not defined. You can write here not defined. Here, what is the reciprocal of 1 by root 3? Root 3 only. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 only. What is the reciprocal of root 3? 1 by root 3. What is the reciprocal? Here, not defined means you are getting is how much? 0. Yes or no? Yes. In the similar way, you can find here sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos or not? What is the 1 by 1? 1 only. Here, root 3 by 2 means what is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. Yes or no? 2 by root 3. Here, what is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2 only. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 only. What is the reciprocal of 0? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means it is not defined. Not defined. In the similar way, one more ratio you can find here. Cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. See at 0. Sin A will be 0 means what is the 1 by 0 reciprocal means? It is defined, not defined? Not defined. You can write here not defined. Next here, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? 2 only. What is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2 only. What is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? You can write here 2 by root 3. What is the reciprocal of 1? 1 only. See here, if you know first three ratios, sine, cos, tan, you need not to remember cot, sec, cosec A. You can try to remember these values which are very, very helpful in our exercise 11.2. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos of trigonometry in our class 10th maths playlist videos.